Okay guys, just another update on what I'm now calling the King Camper, because it's so huge. I just measured the overall length. It's 5.8 meters, or 19 feet in total. That includes the bike. The living quarters will be approximately 3 meters, or just a smidge over 9.10 feet. I've just got this deck on for now. Got the caster wheels on so I don't bottom out anymore, which is really good. And surprisingly, she's pretty stable. These tyres are flat, but you know, she's solid, even though I've still got to do a lot of welding to close up a lot of the welds. Yeah, look, don't analyse my welds too much. You know, most of them there are cosmetic. In other words, the welds are there for looks rather than structure. But anyway, but yeah, I might add a little box at the front. I do have a bit of ply that'll go over this. It's just a spare bit that was laying around, and it seems to fit, so I'll be using that. But I still got to get braking mechanism sorted out. Some more reinforcing just in the joins and the corners. I was thinking about doing some linear actuators for legs. So you can get them pretty cheap on eBay. Push a button and it just puts the leg down and stabilizes it. I thought that might be kind of fun and different. But yeah, look, it's a work in progress. I literally don't know what I'm doing. I've never built a caravan, let alone a caravan bike. The hub or the turnbuckle seems to be holding up. I haven't had it max out or anything yet, so we'll see what happens with that in the real world. But yeah, again, I still got to do a lot of welding, got to finalise the brake mechanism, grease it up before I actually cap it off and stuff. But that'll start sliding once it's all sort of set up and everything, and have the springs in there. I've got some pretty hefty springs, but I don't know what the overall weight is. I'm going to test it to probably to about 100 kilo towing capacity. That's way over what I want to tow. Probably more than double, really, but it's not more than double. But anyway, look, I'm probably aiming around 70 odd kilo. It's probably going to be. It'll probably tap on 100 if I choose to put a nice little water tank in there. The kitchen will go in the back here. The bed will actually sit over the wheels. I can fit a king single in there. Hence, I guess, the King Caravan. So mattress goes to the front half, kitchen in the back. And I'm not sure about what I want to do with the back. Do I want to put a full flip door at the back, or a little swing door? I was thinking if I put like a flip door, I can use it as shade as well. So, but anyway, that's the progress so far. If you have any ideas, let me know. Because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing, but it's rolling and it's fun. So it hits my 2 points of what I'm trying to achieve. But anyway, more to come. Like and subscribe, I guess.